Welcome to the new session of the grade 10th standard. Um, Today I'm going to start a new chapter, third chapter, that is money and credit. So in this whole chapter, very important, and the money is very essential for to the human being. It is a main medium of exchange. So in this whole chapter where the money is very important and how we are dealing with the money in rural areas and urban areas. So in this chapter, first subtopic, that is money as a medium of exchange in ancient period, the it was how it will be changed the period wise and modernized currency. In bank it is play very important role in the money and credit, the exchanging of the money, the how we have to be deal with the banks, the crediting, debiting, and uh, credit cards. Yes, and some situations they are the given here as examples, and loan activities of the banks, how it will be provide the loans, and local people, that is in a rural areas as well as in urban areas, how the situations will become when they will take the loans or the credit the amount. And next, that is terms of credit, the different loans with the agreements, how they will take the different loans, house loan, vehicle loans. Nowadays each and every things we are the getting loans in automatically in a bank, it will be debit the amount. Variety of the credit arrangements, with the help of the example they given here, 3 to 4 example they given. And loan from the corporations, in the corporation also it will work very as a, it will be work as a parallel to the bank. And for formal sectors credit in India. So in rural areas as well as in urban areas, how it will be helped by a bank, that is a main important function. It will be under a Reserve Bank of India. It will be make different types of formals to the formal sector loans and informal sector loans in the rural areas as well as in urban areas. How we can get these all the facilities to take loans. And one more thing here again, we have to be face the normal person, the who are um, running their life in only a daily wages. So such a persons, that is a self-help group or for the poor. So this sectors that who are unable to borrow amount in banks as well as in money lenders, how their life it is, they are the leading. And these all the things we are going to discuss one by one in this whole chapter. It is social activity chapter, which is to give very important information to which is connected to the day to day life. So many these credit circular element in economic life. So it is very important to understand how the money is very important. How we are the dealing with the money, with the different modes, that is main important. The modern forms of the money that is linked with the banking system. Yes, so we'll continue the tomorrow the same chapter with the subtopics. So for the reference you can refer NCERT textbook of grade 10th. Thank you.